Hello, I'm Tom, and today I'm about to make some truly terrible decisions. I've decided to jump into some of the most extreme objects in the solar system to see what actually happens. Not in movies, not in video games, actual physics. Let's start with Earth. I'm standing next to a giant tunnel that goes straight through the entire planet. No air, no lava, no safety regulations, just me and gravity. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is already a mistake. At first I speed up faster and faster. Most people think gravity keeps pulling harder the deeper I go. That's actually wrong. The deeper I fall, the less of Earth is below me. Gravity starts getting weaker. I still reach an insane speed, about 8 kilometers per second. That's over 28,000 kilometers per hour, faster than a bullet, faster than a fighter jet, faster than my ability to make good decisions. I blast through the center of Earth and start slowing down. Eventually, I reach the other side with zero speed. For one beautiful moment, I survive. Then gravity pulls me back down again. Apparently, I've become a human yo-yo. Honestly, that wasn't as bad as I expected. Let's try Venus. Now, this place is terrifying. People call Mars Earth's evil twin. Venus is Earth's actual evil twin. The atmosphere is so thick that standing on the surface feels like being almost a kilometer underwater. The temperature is around 460 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt lead. As I start falling through Venus, the atmosphere becomes a problem immediately. The air is so dense that I can't accelerate nearly as much as I did on Earth. Instead of falling freely, I feel like I'm moving through soup, very hot soup. The deeper I go, the hotter everything becomes. The pressure keeps increasing, the temperature keeps rising. Every piece of equipment fails. Every survival plan fails. And then I fail completely. Let's move on before I become a permanent part of Venus. Next stop, Saturn. Saturn is probably the most beautiful planet in the solar system. Giant rings, golden clouds, amazing views. Unfortunately, beauty can be deceptive. Saturn is mostly made of hydrogen and helium. There isn't really a solid surface waiting for me, just thicker and thicker layers of atmosphere. As I fall, the clouds rush past me. Huge storms rage around the planet, winds reach incredible speeds. Then the pressure starts building and building and building. Eventually the atmosphere becomes so dense it doesn't even feel like a gas anymore. The deeper I go, the stranger things become. If you've ever wondered what it's like to be crushed by an entire planet, I can now report that it's not ideal. But Saturn is still just a planet. Let's go somewhere much bigger. The Sun. This is probably the worst idea I've ever had, and I've already jumped into 3 planets. Long before I reach the surface, I start absorbing enormous amounts of radiation. Imagine standing next to a campfire. Now imagine that campfire is 1.3 million Earths wide. The surface temperature is around 5,500 degrees Celsius. The deeper I fall, the hotter it gets, millions of degrees. Pressure so extreme that atoms are forced together. Deep inside the sun, hydrogen nuclei collide and fuse, creating the energy that powers the entire solar system. Every sunrise you've ever seen started here. Meanwhile, I stopped being alive a very long time ago. At this point, I'm beginning to think this experiment may have been poorly planned, but we're not done yet. There's one final destination, a black hole. Everything so far has been extreme. A black hole is different. A black hole is weird. As I fall toward it, gravity becomes stronger and stronger. The event horizon gets closer. This is the point where nothing can escape, not even light. I brace for impact, but something strange happens. Nothing. No explosion. No wall. No giant cosmic vacuum cleaner. If this black hole is large enough, I could cross the event horizon without even noticing. But if you're watching from far away, something completely different happens. You see me slow down. More and more and more. My light becomes redder, dimmer, weaker. Eventually I seem frozen in time. To you, I never crossed the event horizon. To me, I already did. 2 different observers, 2 different realities, both correct, and that's why black holes are some of the strangest objects in the universe. Eventually, every path leads inward, toward the singularity, a place where our current understanding of physics completely breaks down. What happens there? We don't know. Nobody does. And honestly, after everything I've been through today, I'm okay with that. I've fallen through Earth, been cooked by Venus, crushed inside Saturn, vaporized by the sun, and disappeared into a black hole. I'm Tom, and next time I'm making even worse decisions.